Welcome. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of conducting a comprehensive family lookup using TruthFinder.com. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the TruthFinder website and locate the People search bar. Here, enter your family member's full name and their state. If you don't know which state they live in, you may leave this section blank. After entering their details, click on the search button and patiently wait for the results to load. TruthFinder will utilize its extensive database to search public records and gather detailed information on your family member. Once the search is complete, you may be presented with a comprehensive report on your family member. If you're not an existing subscriber, you'll need to purchase a membership plan to access the complete report. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.